Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make potato lollipops. So let's start. First we need to add grated potatoes, then add chopped onions, then add green chillies, then add red chili powder, a pinch, then add a pinch of cumin seed powder, then sprinkle some chaat masala, then add coriander seed powder, then add lemon juice, then add a spoon of ginger and garlic paste, then add a little bit of cornflour and breadcrumbs. Then mix it and make a dough. After making the dough, add a pinch of salt. Bread has already a little bit of salt. Add salt as per your taste. Then mix it again. Then make small balls with your hand. The balls are ready. Now we will make slurry. To make slurry we need refined flour maida. Add a little bit of water. Whisk it. Add the water gradually and whisk it again. Now our slurry is ready. Now we will coat it with the slurry and cover it in the breadcrumbs. Slurry will make the outer coat crunchy. Now our all balls are ready. Now we will fry the balls. To fry the balls we need oil. Heat the oil a little bit. Then put the balls in it. After heating, now fry it till it is golden and brown. Now I have fried the balls. Now I will serve it with green chili sauce and tomato ketchup. I am using this one tomato ketchup. Now my balls are ready to serve. Now we will serve these balls. They are now only balls. We will add toothpicks to make it potato lollipops. Thank you. If you liked my video, then like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.